I'm James Hankey. Today we're going to talk about how to get your 2 iPads up and running using the system. So, let's get started. Go to the App Store to download the Assess app. You must do this on both iPads. Once the app has been downloaded, head into the Settings app. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are both enabled. Within Display and Brightness, maximize the brightness and set the auto lock to 15 minutes on both iPads. Within the Assess app, set one iPad to practitioner and the other to client within the application mode. Now your iPads are configured and ready for assessment testing using Q Interactive. Be sure to visit the Support tab on Central for detailed guides and video tutorials on all things Q Interactive. Thank you.